Tabraiz Shamsi is a South African cricketer. He has played first-class cricket for teams such as Dolphins, Gauteng Under-19s, KwaZulu-Natal Inland, Lions, and Titans. His batting style is right-handed, and he is known for his left-arm unorthodox spin bowling. Shamsi was the leading wicket-taker for the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots in the Caribbean Premier League T20 in 2015. He was included in the Eastern's cricket team squad for the 2015 Africa T20 Cup. In April 2016, Shamsi was signed by Royal Challengers Bangalore as a replacement player for the injured Samuel Battery during the 2016 IPL and made his debut against rising Pune supergiants at Maharashtra Cricket Association Stadium in Pune, where he took 136th and 4 overs as Royal Challengers Bangalore won by 13 runs. In August 2017, he was named in Stellenbosch Monarchs squad for the first season of the T20 Global League. However, in October 2017, Cricket South Africa initially postponed the tournament until November 2018, with it being cancelled soon after. He was the leading wicket-taker in the 2017-18 Ram Slam T20 Challenge, finishing the tournament with 16 wickets from 11 matches. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.